Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on OPPO A6 Pro. So first up, open up your wallet app and click on this button right here with a plus. Choose loyalty card and choose a loyalty program of which you want to add the loyalty card. So for example, Kaufland. Here you can just scan a barcode that is most likely on the back of your loyalty card, or just enter this code manually. And then just click add to wallet, and that's it. That's how you add a loyalty card to Google Wallet. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.